So maybe there is an area in this place. So here, this is the last area I was thinking price might get to. So remember, I am in a drawdown here and I don't use a stop loss. How do I get out of my trade? This place. If price ever breaks this place, I am out of the whole trade. Okay? You know, some people will say, no, the way you are teaching is so wrong. Please. This is the way I've been trading and this is how I make money. So you better listen. Depending on your account size, you can do 0.01 here. It's nothing, right? So if you don't have up to this amount or one lot, you can just do 0.01 here, 0.01 here. Then as the trade enters another zone where you think it can bounce here. So let's say, for example, you want to use 0.10 fully, okay, as your full lot. So now here is 0.01. Here is 0.01. How much is this? This is 0.02, right? So if you are going to use 0.010, so here now should be what? 0.03. Remember, your stop loss is here, your manual stop loss, not automatic. So as the trade keeps going down, you are adding bigger position. Here small position, here small position, here slightly big position, which is now this 0.04, right? 0.03, or what did we add in? So 0.03. So how much is this whole now? This now is 0.05. When the trade gets here, all you just add is add the full lot now, 0.05 here. Okay, so we're expecting price now to now shift from here, right? It will break all this thing, don't worry about that. To break all this, shift from here and break the next structure. Are you getting what I'm saying? Let me make it red. Let me make this one red so that you see that. So it doesn't look different from this line. Now we now break this structure and then we have a new level here. I hope you're understanding. Are you getting what I'm doing? So if something is like that, the trade could enter here and just keep moving. But at the same time, sorry. Oh man, trading view. So at the same time, it could enter any point here. Instead of the trade dropping here, it could drop down to this level. This is another level where price can get into. Let's just do it. Trade can actually come in and drop into this level, which is a good retest also. This is retest one. This is another retest. Price can just be very funny, right? Can even now drop to all this level. And you now think it's a change of structure before it does this. Now the thing is, so long as this level is not broken by this guy, we are still bullish. Are you getting what I'm saying? So you can enter a trade here. It can just go up and start going down against you. Now start panicking. All you just have to do when it gets to the next level here, you take another position, right? Take another position. It goes up and then comes against you. You now see the last area here. Take another position. So long as this place, but once this place breaks, you are out of the trade manually, because already the trend will be changing, right? The trend will be changing. So if the trade drops to this point, of course, that's what you will have. If this and this level is breaking, that's all you have. Just wait for the next retest and then for trade to continue the other way around. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. So let's go to the chart. Let's go to the chart and see what I am talking about.